Good night, teacher and classmates. Today and first, we are going to talk about the method and experience of my partner. My partner was a child who lived alone since he was 50 years old. He died know how how and clear for teaching and become the goal to train and study and raise his family and live a quiet life. Mm, What is the method? The method is a rhetorical figure that compares two different things to describe the qualities of them. My opinion about my partner's story. The most try and following of dreams until the reach them never got out and always goes down the right flat. mm, the lesson and lead him to like people who do not contribute anything to his life. Sometimes choosing himself and move for forward. Listen, thank you for listening, teacher and classmates.